In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking information to your PayPal invoices, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Adding tracking ensures that both you and your customers can stay updated on shipments, making your transaction smooth and transparent. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once there, locate the login button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your registered email address and password. Then click login again. This will take you to your PayPal dashboard, the central hub where you can manage your payments and invoices. Next, look for the quick access menu. Here, find and click on the invoicing section. This page lists all your current invoices and is where you'll add the tracking info. Browse through your invoices and select the one you want to update. Once selected, look for an edit option or a pencil icon, usually near the header or next to the invoice details, and click on it. After entering edit mode, locate the reference or tracking number section. Click to activate the field, then carefully enter your tracking number. Accuracy is very important here. Any mistake could lead to delivery confusion. Providing the correct tracking ensures your buyer can verify the shipment, improving transparency and customer satisfaction. Finally, save your changes. Look for a Save and Send button, typically at the bottom or top right of the page. Clicking this not only saves your tracking info, but also sends the updated invoice to your customer. This step keeps everything streamlined and professional, reducing the back and forth between you and your client. And that's it. Your tracking information is now successfully added to your PayPal invoice. This simple process helps maintain accurate records and provides peace of mind for both sellers and buyers, knowing shipment details are clear and easily verifiable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials to make managing your business easier. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy payment.